What's up, everyone? Gotta put a juice groove in it, then gotta polish it. I gotta finish off real quick, put a few screws in. I figured I'd let y'all see that. I had recording and something happened and it went bad. Lost the recording, but yeah, I just gotta throw a few more screws in here and we're gonna get on to that. And another thing, especially with hard wood like this right here, you know, maple, walnut and all that. See, I just fell out. I lost my bearing. I need to find another bearing. Put some paste wax on your screw. That'll make it go in a whole lot easier. I'm sure a lot of you know this. Some people don't. But it makes it go in a whole lot easier. A lot easier. Yeah, I got something on my finger. It don't matter how you get it on there, it goes on. As long as it's on there, right? Try not to vibrate too much. I finally got it on. It took forever. I wanted to record that all the way so y'all can see this, but I wasn't able to do it. I don't know what happened. I can't go back. It's not worth, you know what I mean, to tear that all that apart, put it back together. Get my camera going. That'll prevent all that from happening. Don't have to worry about that. Get all that done, you know, and won't have to worry about that no more. So those are new. Try to keep my screws and everything all together. Yeah, it's better. This turned out pretty good. I like it. It's gonna look real good after the next sanding. Now get it all sanded, paste wax and everything. So I'm about done with this thing. I was hoping I'd already be done, but it didn't happen. It's not done yet. Here's where I'm using the router. I haven't used this router much at all. I built my casing for my front door. That's when I used it. But this is the first time I've used it on a butcherblock. I used my other routers on the small one I did. But I like this router. It's a good router. It's just had to get used to it. It's not the one I'm used to. But that turned out really good. I like this router. It's really smooth and it doesn't leave a lot of burn marks or anything. It hits up to 25,000. So it does a really good job. But yeah, I'll get used to it, I guess. Hopefully make my videos better for you all in time. So yeah, this is a hopefully you're gonna try one if you need one. A good one. What I love about a plunge. It does a killer job. It makes life so much easier. Beautifully smooth. Yes. And I don't know if you believe it or not, I bought this a couple years ago. It was a good company. I haven't seen them on eBay for a while. It kind of sucks. Got that for $20 brand new. Brand new, 20 bucks. Got everything with it in a box. Right here is where I'm just obviously sanding them. I'll be going through different stages of sanding, starting out at, I'd already sanded, to, I believe I went to 1,000 already on that. And so right here, I started back out at 320 and went all the way up to 2,000. And then after this video, I came back and went on to polishing and everything. I have that, but I doubt anybody really wants to see that. I have the vinyl on it. Thinking about putting that up. I know y'all are just probably getting bored of this. It's like, this dude don't do nothing, man. It's like, he don't show anything interesting. I'm trying to get better at it, but we'll get there. Just bear with me. It just takes time. I'm finally figuring out how to edit these a little bit. I've been spending all day today, which is Sundays, where we had that storm. I've been sitting here, no power. The electricity's out. I've got a generator and stuff. I might have to crank it up. I was hoping the power would be back on by now, but I haven't seen no headlights, haven't seen sign of nothing. But yeah, it's going through the stages here. I went through, what was it? I went 320, 400, 600, 800, and then to the 1,000, and also I went to 1,500, then to 2,000. Those were that's the stages I had on my pads. All I see here is just wiping it down, and wiping in between, each grit and all that. You got to make sure you wipe down in between each one. Even when you just stop for a minute, wipe it down. That way it helps keep the gumming up and all that. Because obviously with oil previously already on it, and you're sanding, you are going to get a lot of gum. Everything will get gummed up. But I've always had really good turnout with that. So that's why I still do it. I've never had an issue. I can get a really nice polish just off of doing that, without having to do something crazy like have to, sand it all the way back down and completely redoing it. I've never had to do anything like that. They've always turned out pretty decent. I mean, not the best, but for sure, but it works. I mean, just keep trying, learn by your mistakes, try to improve and do better, and you get better with as long as you learn from your mistakes. Just keep trying, keep doing, you'll get it. You won't never know until you try. So just keep doing it, and one day you'll look back and you'll be glad that you did go ahead and make that leap and try it. It's practice makes perfect. The next thing you know, you're pretty good at what you're doing, and go back and see how nice something looks, and it makes you appreciate that you put hard work into something that turned out so nicely. You just gotta continue working hard. That's all you can do. That's about it for me. I have to say. I thank y'all, for watching this if you watch it. And I'll try to make these better. Like I said, I'll figure it out. This here is where I'm having to hand sanding. Gotta get the hand sanding in there. Plenty of hand sanding when you do these things. I'll tell you that much. I know I worked hard on this one. I put a lot into it. I wanted to make sure it looked really good. It turned out nice. It looks good. I like it. I'm getting ready to start a few other projects, including another one of these. I'm not sure about the pattern, which I like that one, but I got another one in mind I would like to do. It'll take a little bit longer, but the next one will probably be
If I do this one pattern, it's gonna be mine. But I'll be making another one with it. Plus, I'll be doing I'm gonna do my Rubo bench with some epoxy. It's gonna be pretty well. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one.